What is junk journaling? This is a bit of a series, and I want to talk to you about junk journaling. This is a favorite of mine. Junk journaling is like your journal is filled with bits and pieces from your life. You collect ephemera, you can use recycling, you can use rustic, rough, and ready bits and pieces inside your journal. It becomes a very tactile, earthy feeling project. So you can do layouts like a junk journaling layout, your whole ethos for yourself or your own creative expression. You could describe yourself as a junk journaler. So if you're a beginner in paper crafting, not sure what you love, what you don't love, and kind of what to call the type of journaling or paper crafting you enjoy, maybe you feel that you connect with junk journaling. You love to collect bits and pieces from a walk outside or a trip to a restaurant or a hotel. You brought home a bit of a receipt or a piece of paper or something that reminded you of the trip that you want to journal about and keep and record in your journal alongside your favorite scraps or things you've collected or your own hand drawing or your own writing. It's a rough journal. It's not meant to look beautiful. The beauty of junk journaling comes in its real rawness and its authenticity.